Blue tape magic, another installment. This one I've shown you before 5 or 6 years ago, but it's well worth seeing again in case you missed it. Double stick tape, it is a staple for any woodworker or carpenter. There are so many things we use it for. And I'm talking about the good stuff, not the carpet tapes and things that are really thick and that stick on and put glue on your finishes. These kind of things, like from FastCap, this speed tape is ultra thin, holds really well. Maybe you don't have any speed tape, maybe you just ran out, but you need to complete the job. Blue tape, we all have it, all different sizes. It's just, you gotta have it in the wood shop. So if I wanna take this, stick it onto this, where then I can take the router and run around it, or if I'm doing a temporary mount until I can permanently fasten it, this is a way you can get to that. That looks about right. Another staple in the wood shop is CAG glue. This, from FastCap, this is 2P10. There are other brands out there. I normally use medium. This is thin. It's what I have right now. It'll work fine, but medium will work a little bit better. Apply it to one side and then the activator on the other side. Make my alignment. 10 seconds, it grabs. After 30 seconds, it's reached its maximum hold. And now I'm ready to follow this pattern with my router or fasten it or whatever the situation calls for. So many uses for double stick tape. And if I'm using for a pattern, it's time to pull it up. You can see how well that holds, but you can pull it up and you still have the beauty of blue tape and how easy it peels off. I recommend keeping the FastCap speed tape, plenty of it in stock, but if you run out or if you just have a need and you don't have any, blue tape to the rescue. If you enjoy these woodworking tips, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to make sure you see all the videos that we put up here at the Smart Wood Shop, subscribe, but make sure you ring the bell. You'll be telling YouTube to let you know when we put up a new video. If you'd like to get yourself a detailed set of plans to build a smart wood shop, a smart bench, a smart station, any of the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of the video down below. Mahalo.